Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
Once again, I'm smiling from ear to ear because we're drinking Bruichladdich Octomore. This is the 8.1. We got a sample from a great person, and I don't even know who it's from, but I love this person already. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me more?
I do. We have this little tiny sample that we really appreciate. I've enjoyed this. This is from our buddy, Nathan, fellow sommelier, Nathan Huey. Thank you very much. So this actually, he gave this to me at the very first Bastards Ball. When I first met him, we swapped some samples, and this is one of the ones that I was like, we have to review this before this is gone. So we just have this tiny amount left, but I'm really excited to try this. The 8.1 edition is 167 ppm, which is awesome. It's distilled in 2008 using 100% Scottish barley from 2007 harvest. It is 100% matured in first fill American oak casks, including Buffalo Trace, Clermont Springs, a.k.a. Jim Beam, Four Roses, Heaven Hill, and Jack Daniels, and it's 59.3%, and it's 8 years old. So let's see what we think of this amazing Octomore that we all know we love. Because it's
How much did you say? You said 8 years old?
This is 8 years old, yeah. So it's a little bit older one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So this is going to be very different. We just filmed the Ardbeg Dark Cove, and see how this goes.
Well, I'm not picking up anywhere close to the amount of peat on this one as I was on that one, on the nose at least.
No, it's a sweet peat though, like very different peat.
Yeah, this is a more mushroom fungal forest floor peat.
Yeah, and more lemon lime. This is more like the distance bonfire, whereas the other thing was, in our face. Raspberry jam, black
burnt
pepper,
lime pie.
Ooh, yeah. Salt. Ooh, a little ginger, sandalwood, like a burning incense at church.
Yes, it's that Catholic church incense.
Yeah, you're going around with the priest is waving the thing on the chain and the ball. I forget what it's called at church, but yeah, that thing. I think it smells awesome. I love that thing when they do that at church. It smells so good.
I'm getting a seaweed. I'm getting a sea salt. I'm getting a brininess.
Yeah, I'd even say it's like a caramel sea salt. It's got a little sweetness there to it.
It's very
another brine showing up, certainly.
To me, it's very oceanic. It's very seafront property, seaside property.
Yeah, I even say this would probably pair really well with sushi, I think. It's got kind of that soy sauce note to it as well. Oh, it smells good. It even say a little bit of smoked fish. It smells nice.
Mm-hmm. It's muted on the nose compared to the Dark Cove, which is very...
Yeah, which is, because that was 55. That's not huge. 55 to 59.3. But still, you'd think from that high ppm level, which other one's like, 50-something, it just shows all the difference that, where you make your cuts and where your ppm level, where it starts at is not exactly where it finishes at either.
Right. And then years in the barrel make all of the difference.
All the difference in the world. But yeah, it smells nice. All right.
Whoa, there's the peat.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah. There's the peat.
I was not expecting that on the palate.
Yeah, it's very different. That's heavily peated. Okay, now the 167 is showing up.
Abso-freaking-lutely. That is so crazy that none of the smoke, none of that act, none of that is on the nose at all. But on the palate, it's like drinking liquid smoke. It is just a smoke-filled, densely heavy, burning tire, roasting pig. Wow.
It is a peated, burnt key lime pie. That is what it tastes like verbatim.
The burnt key lime pie was what I was getting on the nose. Like the
that's like what it tastes.
It's just
heavy smoke on this. Lots of ash. You guys set that put out bonfire, but like just put out with the salt and pepper, but it's got a lot of pineapple on it, wrapped up in a seaweed, a lot of citrus, all lemon, lime, orange. But yeah, it's that you get the forest fire kind of like the other, but it's a put out forest fire. that you can kind of still see the trees all been burnt and the ash is there, and you get like some wisp of smoke still coming out of the ground. Yeah, it's just a very earthy, ashy peat to this one, but definitely lots of burning.
I just got that chocolate orange, the one that you break, the fake orange.
Oh yeah, those
with that milk chocolate, and I would even add in a mushroom fungal with it.
Agree. This is like when you like cook mushrooms on the stove. Reminds me a lot of that too.
Right.
It's good. It's really freaking good.
Blackening.
This is back when these things were only like $150 too. Back in the day when they were reasonable.
Yeah.
It's very good though. I really like that.
Ditto. That's a winner.
Oh, there's on the second sip, it is so much more just key lime and lemon. Tremendous amount. Very citrus on this one. It's nice. It is amazing what just does ex-bourbon casks do for sometimes for a peated whiskey, like the Lefroy Warehouse one was so good. It was just Maker's Mark barrels.
So good.
So freaking good.
Well, and how much do we love old Irish whiskey that's sitting in nothing but bourbon?
Yeah, that's true. We like it a lot.
I mean, those are some of my favorite Irish barrels, are the ones that are just ex-bourbon.
Yeah, absolutely. That's good shit. That's all you need. It's good. Really freaking good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. It's fabulous. Well, thanks, Nathan. As usual, Octomore lives up to its name as it usually does because it's freaking awesome. It's Octomore. We love Bruichladdich in general, so that's all I can say is it's really freaking good.
Really,
take your chance to try it. I know it's like I said, it's an older release from back in the day, from 2017.
Probably able to find a bar that has it still sitting around though.
Yeah, it's 2017, 2018, somewhere when this thing got released. It's freaking awesome. I think it's 17 though, I'm pretty sure, but I can't remember exactly. But yeah, it's really freaking good. That's all you need to know. Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass. Cheers.
Oh. These didn't get added to the thing because I don't care. They're freaking amazing. I think lately we should be pouring smaller and smaller amounts. So they don't really. I put like 2 drops in those things anymore.